Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Aminah Jara bintul Islam. So I would like to present you about the introduction of the Islamic marketing, and I will explain you one by one with the Islamic mix marketing. So let's go to the next slide. According to MBN, marketing is a business term that experts have defined in dozens of different ways. In fact, even at the company level, people may perceive the term differently. Basically, it is a management process through which products and services move from the concept to the customer. It includes identification of product, determining demand, deciding on its price, and selecting distribution channel. It includes developing and implementing a promotional strategy, incorporating both outbound and inbound marketing. According to investopedia.com, marketing refers to activity a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of the product or service. Marketing includes advertising, selling, and delivering products to the consumer or the other businesses. Islamic marketing. Islamic marketing can be defined as the wisdom of the satisfying the needs of customers through the good conduct of delivering halal, wholesome, poor, and lawful products and services with the mutual consent of both seller and buyer for the purpose of achieving material and spiritual well-being in the world here and hereafter. For this slide, it will be compared between the Islamic and conventional marketing. For the Islamic marketing, concern the relationship between the man or the people or the Muslim and Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. For conventional, people believe that the relationship of the God and the universe, including man, are only temporary. For the second one, Islamic marketing is all businesses conducts must be in accordance with the Al-Quran and Sunnah. Conventional said that it is a theory from human. In the Islamic, we should avoid gharar, maisir, and riba concept. But in the conventional, all the elements that we need to avoid is allowed by the conventional. We go to the next slide. It is a four concept that include product, price, place, and promotion. For the product, we covered the issue about the brand, services, and packaging. The price is include the topic with discount, offer price, and credit policy. For the place, it include the topic of market, channel, distribution. For the last one is promotion that include the advertising, publicity, and sales promotion. The first P is product, related about the product that we will sell in the market. The elements of the product is the brand, packaging, and the services of the product. For example, a smartphone. The second P is price. Price means the indicator that we put to buy the product in the market. All products in the market need price to consider it is an exchange between the money to get the products. For example, RM1,999 is the price for a smartphone. The third P is place, the channel that we use to advertise our product to audience. We can use Shopee, TikTok Shop, Lazada, and also we can use physical booth or store to market our products. Last one is promotion, an event or situation that we promote the product that we sell to the buyer or audience to attract them. For example, do live on Instagram and TikTok to promote the smartphone.
Next, we're moving forward to the importance of promotion in marketing activities. As we all know, promotion refers to the entire set of activities that communicate to consumers about product, brand, or services. Ultimately, promotion is the key to strategic planning that serves as an activator in the marketing elements. Okay, without wasting time, first point, importance of promotion is able to enhance sales of goods in imperfect markets. Actually, in imperfect markets, it's very difficult to sell products exclusively on the basis of the price differences. But with using the right strategy, the customers will attract to buy products based on that knowledge. Secondly, with suitable promotional methods, it can bridge the gap between entrepreneurs and customers. This is because if the users likes the product, the user will indirectly become a regular customer, and this will create a good relationship between the entrepreneurs and the users. Thirdly, promotion also supports in the improvement of people's living standards, which means promotional activities help to raise living standards by supplying little goods at a cheaper cost due to large-scale production and distribution, and it helps to raise living standards in a positive way. Last but not least, promotion assists in the acceptability of the product. Most sales promotion devices like as contests, premium coupons, and others can be employed more quickly than the other types of promotion like advertising. With the support of promotional initiatives, the rate of product acceptance more accelerates. Well, I also include promotional tools that are suggested for use. So the first one is advertising. Advertising is a form of paid, non-personalized presentation of ideas, goods, or services sponsored by a recognized market. The use of advertising is able to charm awareness to the maximum level in the hands of buyers and aim it at the general public rather than an individual. For example, company Apple took the step presenting information to the publicity. The next one is public relations. Public relations is a collection of activities used to generate, sustain, and influence favorable activity for an organization. This type of promotion kind of educational and it's actually a customized communication with a distinct and genuine message like spokesperson, news conference, advertising materials, and donations. The third promotional tool is sales promotion. Essentially, promotion sales are designed to boost the speed of sales with a faster and stronger reaction from consumers because it captures the consumer's attention with clear. For example, Mardi publishers found that they chose the channel of the National Book Party, which is organized every year, as a promotional time. And the last one is personal selling. In my opinion, personal sales are generally the most expensive method of contacting potential customers because salespeople more interact face-to-face with potential customers, passing on useful information. Then, customers could see the goods or services, try it, and learn about its benefits personally. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Husna Nabiha bin Azizi. I'm from Bachelor of Muamalat, IC210. I will present about a topic, the importance and Islamic ethics of promotion in marketing. Next, operational definition is about Islamic business is all forms of business with limited obtaining and empowering wealth. So that is always lawful and rejects things that are unlawful, which means Islamic business is an economic business activity that vary with various forms. There is a limit in terms of ownership of property, both services and goods, but it is limited in terms of how to obtain and utilize assets because of the lawful and unlawful rules according to Islam. Next, marketing in the view of Islam is an application of strategic discipline in accordance with the values and Sharia principles, which means marketing ethics in Islam is not only a marketing that adds Islamic values, because there are values more on Islamic marketing only. But furthermore, marketing play a role in Islam, and Islam plays a role in marketing. Okay, next we move to current practice. What is current practice? Current practice is advertising is one part that is not separated from modern business activities today, because of the advertising play a very important role in conveying information about a product to society. In the business world, advertising is a force to be reckoned with used to attract as many consumers as possible. Emphasis, the main advertising is access to information and promotion from the manufacturer to consumers. Positively, advertising is a method used to enable goods can be sold to consumers. Okay, next, business ethics is also a set of values about good, bad, and wrong in the business work based on the principle of morality, which means business ethics is a set of principles and norms by which actors business must be committed to it in transactions, behavior, and relationship to achieve its business goal safely. But ethical structure in the Quran explains more about the values of goodness and the tools, both at the level of intentions or ideas up to behavior and temperament. Next, about the promotion, is one of the marketing mix, which means marketing according to the Sharia perspective is all about business activities in form of value creating activities that enable the perpetrators to grow and utilize benefits based on honesty, fairness, openness, and sincerity according to the principle process wants to grow big, it needs advertising as a means of promotion for products to generate recognition and recall to society. Okay, next we move to the topic of implementation of Islamic ethics in product marketing. Okay, first, Islamic ethics about marketing, which means economic problems in practical terms are problems faced by everyone without exception. Islamic system of life is a system that has a multifaceted scope. Okay, so there is a part which explain about this topic. Number one, aspects of adab that guide human behavior to a high degree and justify life. Includes Sharia, which explains halal and haram, uphold justice, regulates human relations with fellow human beings. Second, ethics in Islam teachings guides all aspects of life, behavior, humans. Almost every individual is faced with various problems ethical, whether running a business or carrying out daily activities. Third, marketing at its core is a social process that designs and offers something that becomes the needs and desires of customers to provide optimal satisfaction to customers. Okay, so the second topic is about application of Islamic ethical values. So about this topic, I will explain two things. Number one is about marketing, with the application of Islamic business ethics is a strategy business that directs the process of creating, offering, and changing value of marketers as initiators to the stakeholders. The whole process is in accordance with the principles of marketing ethics in Islamic. Number two, ethics can be defined as a systematic endeavor with use reason to make sense of our individual, social, moral experiences, where in that way can define the rule that will govern human actions and values that are useful in life.
Okay, I will continue with the effect of customer satisfaction. There is a great influence of contact employees on customer satisfaction, and their efficient work can lead to customer satisfaction by leaving a good image of the company. By Jamal and Nasir, 2003. According to Solomon, customer satisfaction and repeat patronage can be only determined by the quality of personal encounter. Customers always make a comparison between expectations and performance of service or product, and this comparison can lead them to confirmation or disconfirmation. This negative disconfirmation occurs when expectation exceed from performance, while the positive disconfirmation occurs when the performance or product or service exceed the expectation.